Hi students, now part B solved problems, short questions. Already very short questions are over. Now what is ninth problem in short questions? Find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points minus 3, 10 and 6, minus 8 is divided by x-axis. Also find the point of intersection. First you read the problem, you should understand the problem. Which formula is involved in that problem, you should understand. Now draw the rough sketch and understand which formula we have to use to solve this problem. First you draw rough sketch. This is x-axis and y-axis and a line segment. Let the point, you take x0 and this is minus 3, 10 and this will be 6, minus 8. You draw rough sketch. We have to find m1 is to m2 or m is to n. Ratio we have to find. And we have to use, which formula we have to use? We have to use section formula. We have to use section formula. Now solution. Now draw x-axis. X-axis and y-axis. Now we have to draw the line segment minus 3, 10 and 6, minus 8. Minus 3, 10 will be here. You take minus 3, 10. Roughly you take, this is point A. This will be minus 3, 10. And what is another point? 6, minus 8. 6 minus 8 will be in fourth quadrant. This will be 6 minus 8. Roughly you can take, or you can take like this also, no problem. We have to find the ratio in which this x-axis divide this line segment. You take x0. Let the x coordinate is x, y coordinate will be 0. Now we have to find the ratio. You take m is to n. You write section formula. You take this as Pxy. Pxy is equal to, what is the formula we have? mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, and y coordinate will be my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. This is the formula we have. We have to find the ratio in which this x-axis dividing the line segment minus 3, 10 and 6, minus 8. What is the point we have here? Pxy will be x comma 0 is equal to, implies n. We don't know the ratio m and n. mx2, what is? You take this as x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. Now nx2, what is x2 here? 6. 6 plus nx1. Nx1 will be minus 3. N into minus 3 by m plus n. We don't know the ratio, we have to find m is to n. my2, what is y2 here? Minus 8 into m. Minus 8m plus ny1. ny1, what is y1? 10. 10n. You have to write 10n by m plus n. Now you see, this is x. This is x coordinate and this is y coordinate. If you take x coordinate, you cannot find the m is to n ratio. You have to take y coordinate because you have a value that is 0. Implies 0 is equal to minus 8m plus 10n by m plus n. M plus n into 0, 0. You will get minus 8m plus 10n is equal to m plus n into 0, 0. And you take 10n is equal to 8m. or 8m is equal to 10n. And here you can write m by n is equal to by 8, and you will get m is to n is equal to 2 5s are 2 4s are 5 is to 4. What is m is to n? M is to n will be 5 is to 4. This line segment is divided by x-axis in 5 is to 4 ratio. Also find the point of intersection. What is the point of intersection? This is the point of intersection we have to find. Okay, we will find out. Now we have to find the point of intersection. Already we know m is to n. You take first coordinate, x coordinate you take, so that you can find out the value of x, because you know m and n. Take x coordinate. Six m minus 3n. 6m minus 3n by m plus n. You know the values of m and n, ratio 5 is to 4. Substitute the values of m and n in this equation. You will get x is equal to 6 into, what is m here? 5 minus 3 into, what is n? 4 by m plus n, 5 plus 4. 6 5s are 30. 30 minus 12. 30 minus 12 by 5 plus 4, 9. 30 minus 12, 18 by 9. That is equal to 2. Which point on x-axis dividing this line segment? That is 2 0. Like this you have to do. 2 0 is dividing this line segment in the ratio 5 is to 4. Now what is 10th problem? If P12, Q4y are x6 and s35 are the vertices of a parallelogram taken in order, then find the values of x and y. Now, to solve this problem, we should know the properties of parallelogram. In parallelogram, opposite sides are equal, opposite sides are parallel, and diagonals bisect each other. Now, you take a parallelogram. Now you have to take P, Q, R, S. You have to take in order P, Q, R, S. You should not take P, Q, R, S like that. Or you can take P, Q, R, S. You have to take in order. What is P? Point P is 1, 2, Q, 4, Y, R, X, 6, and S will be 3, 5. Now, PQRS is a parallelogram. What I have to find? We should know the properties. Opposite sides are parallel and equal, and also diagonals. Diagonals bisect each other. Bisect each other means midpoint is same for two diagonals. You have to find the midpoint of PR, and also you have to find the midpoint of SQ or QS. PQRS is a parallelogram. Diagonals bisect each other in parallelogram. Diagonals bisect each other. If diagonals bisect perpendicularly means the angle between these two diagonals here you will get 90 degrees. But in parallelogram diagonals bisect each other means midpoint is equal. We have to show midpoint of PR should be equal to midpoint of SQ. Means midpoint of PR should be equal to midpoint of you take a point here. O will be O as A comma B. You take O as A and B. What is the midpoint? What is the formula for midpoint? OAB is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. What is the formula for midpoint? x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. Now midpoint of PR. What is the midpoint of PR? 1 plus x 1 plus x by 2 comma 2 plus 6 by 2. Next, midpoint of SQ or QS. x1 plus x2 by 2, 3 plus 4 by 2, comma 5 plus y by 2. You have to equate x coordinates and also y coordinates. You have to equate. Now 1 plus x by 2 is equal to 3 plus 4 by 2 means 7 by 2. You will get 2 cancel. 1 plus x is equal to 7 and you will get the value of x is 7 minus 1, that is 6. Next you take y coordinate. 2 plus 6 by 2 means 8 by 2 is equal to 5 plus y by 2. 2 cancel. You will get 8 is equal to 5 plus y and y is equal to 8 minus 5, that is 3. Now the value of x is 6 and value of y is 3. Now what are the values of x and y? X is equal to, this is 6 and what is the value of y? 4, y will be 3, 4, 3. You can check whether the midpoints are equal or not. You see, verify whether the midpoints are equal or not. Midpoint of SQ we will check is equal to 4 plus 3 by 2 means 7 by 2, comma y. What is the value of y? Y is equal to 3. 3 plus 5 by 2. 3 plus 5 by 2, 8 by 2 means 4. As next you take midpoint of PR. Midpoint of PR, it must be 7 by 2 and 4. See, PR 1 plus 6 by 2. 1 plus 6 by 2 means 7 by 2, comma 2 plus 6 by 2, 8 by 2 means that is 4. As we got midpoint of SQ equal to midpoint of PR, as our answer is true. Whether our answer is true or false, we can check or verify. Now 11th problem, find the coordinates of the points of trisection of the line segment joining the points A 4 minus 1 and B minus 2 minus 3. Points of trisection. The points which divide the line segment into 3 equal parts. We have to find those points we have to find. Solution. First you draw the diagram so that it is very easy for us to do the problem. Solve the problem. A 4 minus 1 and B minus 2 minus 3. We have to find the points of trisection which divide the line segment into 3 equal parts. We have to find P, x comma y we have to find, and Q, Z and Q, Z, W we have to find. This 1:1:1 means this will be 1, this ratio will be 2. 1 plus 1, 2. Before going to find this point, this line is divided in 1:2 ratio. 1 plus 1, 2. Means m is to n, m1, m2. You have to take m1 is to m2, you have to take 1 is to 2 because this point dividing this line segment in 1 is to 2 ratio you have to find. Now m1 you have to take 1 and m2 you have to take 2. First you write the formula, section formula you have to write. You write section formula. Which formula you have to use? You have to use section formula. Pxy is equal to m1x2 plus m2x1 by m plus n, and y coordinate will be m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. We have to find the coordinates of the point which divide this line segment into 1 is to 2 ratio. We have to find this point is equal to m1. What is m1 here? m1 is 1 and x1 y1. This you take x1 y1 and this as x2 y2. Now m1 x2, what is x2 there? Minus 2 plus what is m2? m2 will be 2, x1 will be 4 by m1 plus m2. I wrote m and n, you can m1 plus m2, sorry. Now m1 plus m2, what is m1 plus m2? 1 plus 2. Next, what is y coordinate? m1 y2. m1 means 1 into, what is y2 here? Minus 3 plus m2 is 2 into, what is y1 here? Minus 1 by m1 plus m2, 1 plus 2. Now x coordinate will be minus 2 plus 8 by 3 comma minus 3 minus 2, minus 3 minus 2 by 3 is equal to minus 2 plus 8, 6 by 3 means 2 comma minus 3 minus 2, minus 5 by 3. This point will divide this line segment into 1 is to 2 ratio. Now we have, that is Pxy. That is Pxy. Now we have to find QZW. QZW. Now we have to take, you are going to find this point 1 plus 1. You have to take this as 2 and this as 1 because this point dividing the line segment in 2 is to 1 ratio. We have to use the same formula. QZW is equal to, what is m1? m1 will be 2. Here you write m1 is to m2 will be 2 is to 1 we have to take. That you should remember. m1 x2 means 2 x2. What is x2? Minus 2. 2 into minus 2 plus m2 x1. What is m2? 1. 1 into x1, 4. 1 into 4 by m1 plus m2. m1 plus m2 will be 2 plus 1. Next, y coordinate. m1 y2. What is m1? 2 into y2. m1 y2. 2 into y2 will be minus 3. 2 into minus 3 plus. Next, m2 y1. What is m2? m2 will be 1. y1. What is y1? Minus 1. 1 into minus 1 by m plus n. 2 plus 1. Close the bracket. Now 2 into minus 2, minus 4 plus 4 by 2 plus 1, 3 and minus 6 minus 1 by 3. You will get minus 4 plus 4 cancel. 0 by 3 is equal to 0 and you are getting minus 6 minus 1 minus 7 by 3. As 0 0 minus 7 by 3 is dividing this line segment in 2:1 ratio. We have to verify whether our answer is true or false. How to check? We have to find the distance between these 2 points, these 2 points, these 2 points. All should be equal to each other. Distance between AP. We will find the distance between A and P. P is nothing but what is P here? 2 minus 5 by 3. Yes. What is the distance between 2 points? Root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. We will find out. Means 2 minus 4 whole square. 2 minus 4 means? 2 minus 4 means minus 2 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Minus 5 by 3 minus of minus 1 means minus 5 by 3 plus 1 whole square. Minus 5 by 3 plus 1 whole square. You have to find. Minus 2 square means 4. You take LCM 3, you will get minus 5 plus 3 minus 2 by 3. Minus 2 by 3 whole square means 4 by 9. What is the answer? You are going to root of 9 fours are 36. 36 plus 4, 40 by 9. You are getting 40 by 9. Now, we will find out the distance between P and Q. What is Q here? 0 minus 7 by 3. Distance between, what is PQ? 0 minus 2 whole square means 4 plus minus 7 by 3 plus 5 by 3. Minus 7 by 3 plus 5 by 3 whole square is equal to 4 plus minus 2 by 3 whole square means minus 2 by 3 whole square means 4 by 9. Yes, we got the same thing is equal to root 40 by 9. Now we will find out the distance between Q and B. Root of minus 2 minus 0 whole square means 4 you will get, and minus 3 plus 7 by 3. Minus 3 plus 7 by 3 whole square. 4 you will get plus 3 3s are minus 9 plus 7 by 3. Minus 2 by 3. Minus 2 by 3 whole square means 4 by 9. You will get root 40 by 9. Yes, we got the distance between AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB. Yes, our answer is true. These are points of trisection which divide the line segment into 3 equal parts.